Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. We're here today to talk about the best Fitbit fitness trackers on the market. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, there's a Fitbit out there that's perfect for you. So stay tuned to the end of this video to find out which Fitbits we recommend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quality videos daily. Number 1. Fitbit Versa 4. With its broad range of fitness tracking capabilities, smartwatch functions, and lower price, the Versa 4 is a balanced fitness watch that plays to Fitbit's strengths. For all practical purposes, the Fitbit Versa 4 can do everything that most users want from their fitness tracker. It provides info about steps, heart rate, blood oxygen levels, calories burned, and sleep tracking. It's also water resistant down to 50 meters, in case you're a swimmer. It even buzzes to let you know when you've entered your personalized target heart rate for exercise, which it refers to as your active zone. At the same time, the Versa 4 includes plenty of smart functions. You can use it to take calls and receive notifications from your phone or ask Alexa about the weather. Fitbit also features an app ecosystem that's smaller than iOS or Android but includes apps for music, payments, and more. The Versa 4 and more powerful Sense watch bring a lot of value to the table, but the Versa does so at a lower price, making it a slightly more accessible pick. Number 2. Fitbit Sense 2. The Sense 2 is a sleek, powerful smartwatch with advanced fitness tracking capabilities. If you want a fitness tracker that really leans into smart features, the sleek Fitbit Sense 2 delivers. With the largest suite of smart apps on any Fitbit device, as well as most of the key fitness and health tracking functions, it is the most powerful Fitbit we recommend. Most notably, the Sense includes an ECG for detecting heart health, as well as an ADA scan app that monitors electrodermal activity and then provides a graph of how your body responds to stress. It is also the only Fitbit to come with a 6-month free trial of the guided meditation app Calm to support any stress management goals you might have. Given all that, it's worth noting that the Sense is the second most expensive device you can get from Fitbit right now. If you want all the features, the Sense may be the best choice, but it is bigger and more expensive than most of the pack. Number 3. Fitbit Luxe. The Fitbit Luxe is a great option if you want a fitness tracker that can double as a piece of jewelry. If you're looking for a fitness tracker that looks more like a bracelet than a military-grade smartwatch, the Fitbit Luxe is a good option. The slim design, polished stainless steel case, and bands available in a range of hues make this an option that works for both work and working out, and one of the best Fitbit watches for women. The Luxe also tracks heart rate, sleep, and breathing rate, plus provides some stress management tools. You can also text and receive call notifications, but you can't access music or make calls. This tracker is water resistant up to 50 meters, and has a battery life of up to 5 days. Unfortunately, you'll need to connect to the GPS in your phone to see your pace in real time, as it doesn't offer built-in GPS. It won't be the best option for those serious about accurate pace and mileage information as a result, but it does help keep the cost and size down. Number 4. Fitbit Inspire 3. With all the essential fitness tracking capabilities, the Inspire 3 gives you the features you need at a more affordable price. If you just need a basic fitness tracker, try the Fitbit Inspire 3. It tracks all the basics, steps, calories, heart rate, etc. It also has more advanced features than other trackers, including Active Zone Alert, cardio fitness scores, and a daily readiness score to make sure you let your body recover between workouts. That said, this cheap Fitbit is very much an essentialist fitness tracker. It has some smartwatch functionality, including notifications for calls, text, and social media. It also offers stress management features and menstrual health tracking. These features require looking at the Inspire 3's tiny screen, which isn't ideal for anything beyond the quickest of glances. This is definitely a tracker for people who actively want to avoid the smart features and stay focused on working out. Number 5. Fitbit Ace 3. There aren't too many quality fitness trackers designed specifically for kids, so the Fitbit Ace 3 is incredibly useful and the best Fitbit for kids. It primarily tracks steps and sleep but can also set challenges to keep kids motivated and active. You can also set reminders to prompt children to get up, move, stretch, or sleep at specific times. Its features are comparatively very limited beyond the basics, but it is water resistant for up to 50 meters, so it is durable and can stay on in the pool. The Ace 3 supports the Fitbit app, which features separate viewing modes for parents and kids when you activate the family account mode. In Parent View mode, parents can monitor their kids' activity and approve any connections in the Fitbit social community. Meanwhile, KidView presents a child-friendly version of the fitness tracker experience, with access to stats, badges, personalized avatars, and challenges. Like many of the best smartwatches for kids, it's cute but quite feature-packed.